Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers here, and I'm here with my friend Alastair Cooke, and of course we make up Build Day Live, and we've got another Build Day Live coming to you on April 25th as we go to Cohesity. Why don't you tell us a little bit about that, Alastair?
Thanks, Jeffrey. We're going to head into San Jose and see our friends at Cohesity. I've been working with them for a few months, actually writing about their product and learning about it as I go. And I'm excited to get on site and be working with the real subject matter experts, hear some of the inside stories, because this is a platform that is all about protecting and moving your data around. So unifying all the reasons that you make copies of your data and giving us a single platform, whether it's on premises, on your vSphere environment, or out into the public cloud on virtual or hardware appliances as well. Of course, I don't have those hardware appliances. Looking forward to seeing how easy those are to work with. So it's going to be a great few days out in Silicon Valley with Cohesity.
Yeah, and as always, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be on site. We're going to be getting ready for the live stream on April 25th at 9 a.m. Pacific time. So set your clocks, set your calendars for that event, and go from there. And we'll be talking with everybody and anybody there while we put it all together. So I'm excited. Alistair, sounds like you're very excited for this.
Oh yeah, I'm looking forward to it, and definitely book out your calendar, set some time aside, make sure you're well fed and well caffeinated, because it is going to be, as it always is with Build Day Live, a really fun live ride.
Yeah. And of course, if you want to be part of it, all you have to do is let us know. We'll try and keep you in the chats so you can ask your questions, because the more questions we have, the better that this build day goes, because we'll get all the information out there. So when it's time for you to build that into your data centers, then you won't have any questions.
You'll all be armed and ready to go.
Yeah, exactly. So that is the Cohesity Build Day Live, the data platform Build Day Live, Thursday, April 25th, 9 a.m. Pacific time. Set your clocks, set your calendars, set your alarms, and we'll see you then. Take care.